Hi, Professor. I'm glad I caught you. Exams are coming up and I've realized that I've listened to nothing in class. I am in trouble. Please, you have to help me.
Don't panic. Just read over my notes from class.
Sir? I haven't went to all of your classes. Somehow the appeal of going out every night is better than morning lectures, although I'm not feeling well right now.
Well, I hope you learn from this. Actuarial science is not easy, unless you are me. Then it's easy. What are you struggling with? Mortality profit? Joint life annuities?
No, sir. I'm not quite that far on in the course. I don't understand what present value means.
This is worse than I thought. Okay. Well, what do you know about time value of money?
I know my granddad has lots of old English notes from the war. They have got to be worth a lot of money now.
That's not what I... Never mind. Anyway, as an actuary, we want to make sense of the future financially. We want to make safe and sure judgments. So if I am to provide a payment to someone in the future, I need to know how much money to set aside now.
But why not just keep the amount that you are going to pay them in the future?
It is all to do with the idea that money available at the present time is worth more than the same amount in the future, due to its potential earning capacity. For example, if I was to say to you that given a 5% interest rate, £100 invested today will be worth £105 in 1 year, that is 100 multiplied by 1.05. On the other hand, £100 received 1 year from now is only worth £95.24 today by dividing 100 by 1.05. Easy so far. Yes?
Well, that seems easier than reading it from the textbook. Is there anything else that could help me?
Well, when we talk about present value, sometimes it is also referred to as the discounted value. Future cash flows are discounted at the discount rate, and the higher the discount rate, the lower the present value of the future cash flows. Mathematically, this discounting factor is represented by a small v in equations. You must equip yourself with the terminology. In this case, v is equal to 1 divided by the sum of 1 plus the interest rate.
This explains a lot of why I keep getting different answers to your examples and notes. This seems easier than I thought it would be.
So if I was to offer you £100 today or in 1 year, a smart man would take it today. Remember, the whole purpose behind discounting is to reflect the time value of money and other factors like investment risk.
And what situations is it used in, sir?
Well, it's a very common practice for actuaries, and a fundamental one too. It can be used in many approaches such as equations of value, annuities and perpetuities to name a few.
Thanks very much, sir. It makes more sense when you put it like that. Now I must hit the library for 1,000 more hours until I know everything to be an actuary.
Well, I hope that helped. Unfortunately, now you only know one of the easier parts to the course. You can focus on the harder elements to follow. Goodbye, and remember, no more partying.
Sorry, sir, I have got to take this. It's probably to go out tonight. See ya.
Oh boy.